Santillana, no good. Rebound by San Nicolas. Pass to Medrosa. Medrosa. Foul. Cabell. Foul, jersey number 13. Santillana. Dragon, jersey number 28. Pass to San Nicolas. Still by Sano. Sano kadalitali. Sano. Foul. Foul, jersey number 20.
Remaining time 22 seconds.
Remaining time 22 seconds.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Sano, pass to Santillana. Foul. Crispo. Inbound, Sano.
First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Lapiana. Lapiana for 3. No good. Rebound by Gibon. Gibon, basket for 2 points.
Remaining time 16
Mochilias.
10 seconds.
No good. By Sano. Sano, basket for 2 points. Score 38-20 in favor of Team Malaksa.
Polo Banse.
Sir Nicola Ronel. Sir Nicola for 3, no good. Rebound by Sano. Sano. Sano, dribble the ball. Pass to Lapiana. 15 seconds. Offensive foul. Jersey number 20. Crispo, jersey number 17.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Crispo, shot clock 15. Mondragon, Mondragon, no good. Rebound by Irina. Pass to Lapiana. Lapiana Gadundale, Lapiana to Santillana. Back to Lapiana. Lapiana, no good. Rebound by Mondragon. Mondragon, jersey number 10. Shot clock 15. To Tamagos. Tamagos, jersey number 7. Tamagos for 3, basket. 3 points.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 52 seconds.
Santillana, jersey number 23. Santillana, laban na pasa.
Shot clock 15.
Mondragon to Lapiana. Lapiana, no good. Rebound by Mochila. Same ball. Crispo speed, sabay, back, foul. Foul, jersey number 23, Mondragon.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 29 seconds.
First row basket. Last row basket again. Sano. To Lapiana. Lapiana. Back to Santillana. 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 Foul. Jersey number 7. Tamago.
First personal foul, second team foul.
First row basket. Last throw, no good. Rebound by Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola, dribble the ball. Sir Nicola sumalaksak. Basket. 2 points. Santillana. Pass to Sano. Sano sumalaksakan. Basket for 2 points. Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola. Still by Lapiana.
Permite que big boy.
Lapiana pass to Santillana. Santillana. No good. Rebound by Saplada. Saplada. Team back. No basket. Easy 2 points. Archie pass to Crispo. Crispo. Still. No. Shot clock. Mondragon. Basket. 2 points. Santillana. Jersey number 23, pass to Sano. Shot clock 15. No good. Cover by Tokoy.
Wala.
Tokoy kasakay.
Score
To Mondragon.
43.
Mondragon, still by Sano, outside. Screen
Wow!
basket.
Perfect.
3 points. Santillana again. Jersey number 23. Dribble the ball. Shot clock 15. Pass to Sano. Sano. No good. Rebound by Medrosa. Medrosa to Saplada. Saplada.
Ay, wala.
No good. Recover by Dantan. No good. Rebound by Tercula.
Ay,
No
wala
good
pa.
again.
Oh, sarap pa.
Mondragon again.
Ay,
No
wala
good
again.
Basket. 2 points. Remaining time 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Santillana, jersey number 23, pass to Pistoy. Mondragon, Tokoy, Mondragon, Tokoy. Pese, Tokoy.
Third personal foul, second team
Crispo,
foul.
shot clock 15. Back to Crispo, Crispo for 3, basket, 3 points. Score, 48 all. Santillana, pass to Jericho Mondragon, Jericho Mondragon, basket, 2 points. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Crispo, foul, basket. Foul, jersey number 14. Score 50 all.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Rebound by Mondragon. Pass to Santillana. Santillana, tapos over. Steal by
Go,
Medrosa.
diretso.
Medrosa agad rin dali.
Alright.
Medrosa, basket
Perfect.
for 2 points. Remaining time 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Time out.
Crispo to Medrosa. Medrosa for 3, back
Wow!
out.
Back out.
3 points.
Ang pagsilid pakabula ka na, hindi magwa. Hindi magwa yung na karaw.
Santillana, back to Santillana, Santillana 15, jersey number 30, Santillana liwat, Santillana mangyapon, Santillana liwat, Santillana to Mondragon, Mondragon no good, Santillana to Sano, Sano basket, 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oh, shout out sa 50 viewers.
Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola to Medrosa. Medrosa again. Basket. Perfect. 3 points. Bibi.
Oh, sige, bila. Alert, alert.
Yes, ako. Remaining time 20 seconds. 28 seconds remaining time. Santillana, jersey number 5 seconds remaining. To Jipon, Jipon sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Saplada, Saplada ang ginagawa ni Santillana. 15 seconds. Medrosa, pass to Sarney. Crispo, basket for 2 points. 7 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds remaining. Foul. Back to Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola. Napangita patas. Back to Mondragon. Mondragon. Foul. Carter. Foul. Sano. Jersey number 12.
Personal foul, second team foul. First team foul.
Jersey number 30, Santillana, dribble ball. Pass to Jan Greg Lapiana, no good. To Gibon, Gibon Mondragon, basket, 2 points. Score 60-69 in favor of team by Jesse. Mondragon, jersey number 20, Michael George, 15, pass to Medrosa, to Sir Nicola, foul. Foul, Gibon, jersey number 27. Gibon Mondragon. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw, no good. Last throw, basket.
Kaya mo na ano ka na ba
Santillana, jersey number 30. Yatara Kabula. Pasa kay Jan Greg. No good. Rebound by Gibon. Sano for 2. Block. Foul. Bibi. Megas na. To Gibon. Bad. Archie. No good. Look, Alcala. Pass to Gibon. Gibon the ball behind the back. To Santillana, Bibi. Santillana, John Lloyd. Santillana to Gibon, basket. 2 points. Score 67-72. Alcala, pass to Medrosa. 15. Medrosa kemangilapasan. To Sir Nicola Ronel jadi Escarpe. 5. Pass to Mondragon. 3. Mondragon. 1. Mondragon. No good. Mondragon again. Mondragon kinalabaw na. No good again. Santillana. Pass to Lapiana. Jan Greg. Ano to? Outside. Bola ka. Team Bayo Jesse.
Team Bayo Flu.
Mondragon again. Mondragon versus Tisoy. No good. Tisoy. Pagkakataon mo na. Pass to Santillana. PB again. No good. Rebound by Sano. No good. Tisoy. No good. Rebound by Sir Nicola.
Gawas eh.
Sir Nicola. No good. Pass to Mondragon. No good. Jan Greg again. Jan Greg. Lapiana. Pass to Santillana. PB.
Oh.
Foul, jersey number 20. Silang. Lapiana, no good. Rebound by Sano. Tisoy, no good. Mondragon, pass to Mondragon, jersey number 10, basket. 2 balls. Isi lang to. Santillana, jersey number 30. Foul counted. Foul jersey number Santillana may napasan. Shot clock 10. Lapiana for 3.
Ay, nagawas
Rebound
pa.
by Mondragon. Dagdag ka na rin
Go,
kalita.
diretso.
Basket.
Perfect.
2 points.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Santillana, John Floyd, jersey number 30. Santillana sumalak sa basket. 2 points. Score 70-79 in favor of Team Bayo Jesse. Ronel Sir Nicola, pass to Mondragon.
Shot clock 15.
To Dandan, jersey number 10.
Shot clock 10.
Dandan, pinipilit, back to Mondragon. To 5, Sir Nicola for 3 basket.
Perfect.
3 points.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Santillana, jersey number 30. Santillana pass to Devon outside. Back to Michael Josh, Mondragon. To Medrosa. Medrosa for 3, no
Ay,
good.
awas.
Rebound by Dandan.
Ay, bongga. Maliksi siya.
Foul. Jersey number 12, Sana.
Third personal foul, third team foul.
Dandan to Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola for 3, no good. Covered by Medrosa. Medrosa traveling.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Santillana, John Floyd. To Lapiana. Lapiana ding tira kay may Acacia.
Shot clock 15.
Shot run.
To Santillana, back to Lapiana. BB to Gipon. Gipon for 3, no good. Migos. Migos
Diretso, ah.
Migos. No good.
Mekos
Cover
lang.
sa Clara. To Sir
Go.
Nicola Ronel.
Ay, wala pa.
Campos.
Ay, isa pa.
Gipon pass to Santillana. Jersey number 70. To Santillana, BB. To John Greg Lapiana. To Santillana.
Perfect.
Hi, outside.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
To Mondragon, Dandan, basket for 2 points. Score 70-84 in
Remaining
favor.
time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Santillana, John Floyd again. Dribble the
Shot
ball.
clock 15.
Pass to Lapiana. John Greg, back to
Shot
Santillana.
clock 10.
BB, dribble the ball.
Shot clock 5.
To
4,
BB.
3, 2, 1.
Ano ang bal mo?
Christian for 3. Woohoo!
SK.
Rebound by Mondragon, Dandan. Jersey number 10 to Sir Nicola. Sir Nicola Ronel. No good. Dandan easy 2 points. Stepping. To Medrosa basket. 3 points.
Remaining time 20 seconds.
Tinagpalakpak ka man.
15.
Santillana. To Gipon, no good.
Ay,
Rebound by
10
naglapaw.
seconds.
Uy, di ka magpaluya.
5.
Kaya kapayas.
Soy, ganda na ka bola. To Gipon, no good. Soy.
Oh, sige,
Sir
ano?
Nicola. Santillana. Gipon again, no good again.
Shot!
Paso Pedrosa ta. Basket. 2 points.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
Santillana, Christian. Pass to Santillana, jersey number 23. To Sano. Sano for 3. No good. Rebound by Sir Nicola.
Dahil
No good. Rebound by Santillana. To Santillana again. Santillana to Sano. Sano basket for 2 points.
Remaining time 7 minutes.
manluwat-liwat mangkot kapagid.
Crispo.
Shot clock 15.
Crispo, jersey number 17. Screen by Sir Nicola. Crispo, no good. Rebound by Sano. Sano, jersey number 12. Sano ganda ni Jared. Sano. Foul. Jersey number 7. Tamago. To Sir Nicola. Archie. Basket. Easy 2-4.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Santillana. Pass to Labiana. Labiana. Saro, no good. Rebound by Santillana. Foul. Counted. Foul, jersey number 7, Tamago.
Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Basket. Substitution. Saplara is Tamagos.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Medrosa. Pass to Sernigola. Sernigola again. Basket again. 2 points. Score 106-91 in favor of team by Jesse. Jersey number 23 to Mochilias. Mochilias outside. Pass to Santillana, Christian. Santillana to Labiana. Labiana for 3 basket. 3 points.
Ten na lang bansi daw.
Sir Nicolas. Sir Nicolas, no good.
Ay, wala.
Rebound by Mochilias, aka Tisoy. Tisoy pass to Santillana. Santillana traveling. Time out. Metroza in. Basket for 2 points. Sano, pass to Labiana. Pass to Santillana, Tisoy. Tisoy, 15. Santillana, basket for 2 points. Saplara to Medrosa for 3. Recover by Tantan, basket. 2 points. Score 98-110.
Last 3 minutes.
Labiana. Steal. Saplara, pass to Mondragon.
Ay, nag-awas pa.
Outside, bola ka team Alaksa.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Score 98-110. Outside, table. Tisoy. Travel. Medrosa. To Archie. No good. Crispo again. Crispo jersey number 17. Dribble the ball. Crispo comes over. Crispo. Basket for 2 points.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Sano to Labiana for 3. No good. Rebound by Mondragon. Pass to Saplara.
Ay,
Saplara traveling again. Score 98-112 in favor of team by counted. 2 points.
akin.
Foul.
Akin.
Substitution. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty.
Silid mga binsoy eh.
Remaining time 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Sano, dribble the ball. Foul. Santillana, jersey number 13. First personal foul, penalty.
Silid pa to. Sara lang. Maan?
Basket. Last row. Basket again. Mondragon, jersey number 20. Mondragon, dribble the ball.
Shot clock 15.
Pass to Mondragon.
Makapta nyo mga kabula si Talo.
Mondragon to Santillana.
shot.
Santillana, no good.
Ah!
Rebound by Santillana to Mondragon.
Shot clock 10.
Shot.
Kano,
Ay,
no
kano.
good. Sano gonna dali. Sano for 2. Basket for 2 points.
Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Score 104-114 in favor of Team Baiguet.
Shot clock 15.
Shot clock 15. Mondragon to Mondragon.
Shoot rin na. Shot.
Data basket for 2 points.
Remaining time 57 seconds.
Sano dribble the ball.
Ay!
Sano kiki. Pass to Santillana. Santillana Kano.
Relax.
22 seconds remaining.
Sano. Santillana back to Sano. Sano for 3. No good. Rebound by Tokoy. Look at Salaba. Sano. Basket. 2 points.
10 seconds remaining.
Score 120-106. Favor of Team Baiguet.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining.
Okay.
Dahil sila din kita tanan.
Santillana for 3. Basket.
9 seconds remaining.
Santillana, no good. Outside.
Pasahan nyo rin, darwa, para may pang may day ka mo.
4 seconds remaining.
End of the fourth quarter.
End of the game.
Score 109.
Score 109-120. Winner Team Baiguet.
Yes, daag 1,000 ko.
Score hag.